Yeah, I mean, .lux is, for us, we place great strategic significance on this. In the year-end results, we said our strategy for delivering value to shareholders would be through organic growth, which obviously the first half very much reflects. And the second was then increasing the scale through strategic acquisition, not just going out there buying, but being select and sensible. We picked up ICM at a multiple of 8 times net profit. We think those type of decisions, when they have the right revenue mix, is absolutely what we should be doing. The second leg of that delivering greater value is innovation. We're a tech company, and we should absolutely be proud and recognize we're tech. And .lux really addresses, we think, one of the core issues that is going to be touching the development of the broader internet space over the next 5 to 10 years. And to put that into context, think of 3 universes on the internet. We've got the traditional World Wide Web, which runs through the DNS, and I think everyone has got a pretty good grasp of that. Outside of that, we then have the blockchain environment arriving. And these are really, think of them as little universes of their own convention. But all of those conventions are based on very complicated identifiers, sort of 30, 40 character strings. And it was like the very early days of the internet. So we think what the things that the internet has done exceptionally well, we can blend with the things that, say, the blockchain does very well, which is obviously security. So creating an environment where one name, one format can work in 2 different universes is absolutely key for opening up a new horizon of opportunity for our properties. So rosie.lux in the World Wide Web can go to your website or your marketing pages. Rosie.lux can go to whatever new app you're developing, whatever that little business plan you've got to disrupt the media industry, or equally it could be your wallet. So that, we think, is of fundamental importance. And then the third universe, which I think is out there and people forget, is that whole Internet of Things. 20 billion devices expect to be connected by 2020. That's 2 years away. It's already 10 billion plus. But again, no standard protocols between those that prevails. And equally, when all that Internet of Things has to then communicate to humans, again, no real naming convention there. So we think the strength of the DNS has a role to play in that evolution, and we absolutely want to be on the forefront of it. And .lux, this experiment, is allowing us to be absolutely on the forefront of that. And as a result, it's a great honor to be invited to major tech events in China, which traditionally a domain name might not be getting quite the same prominence. So yeah, very important to us strategically.